Chapter 15, Part D. We're going to talk about the standards. The following standards are to be followed by brokers. Number one is integrity. Integrity is a fundamental quality demanded of every insurance broker. When personal integrity is missing, nothing can compensate for its absence. So highlight fundamental quality. So basically, the broker must have integrity. So the example of conduct which have been found not to meet this standard include: number one, conviction of criminal offense, even if unconnected with the brokers. If you charge for criminal offense, misappropriation or dealing dishonesty with a client's money or other money considered to be held in trust. When you misuse the money or dishonestly use client's money, taking improper advantage of client's inexperience or lack of education, youth or lack of sophistication. Basically, Punjabi ji कहना भोले भाले client ਨੂੰ ਲੁੱਟਣਾ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, right? ਜਿਹੜਾ inexperienced ਆ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ education ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਜਾਂ too young ਆ, right? Failing to absolutely frank and candid in all dealing with insurer. So basically you are not honest. Candid means honest in your dealing. Other brokers and other parties of interest subject to the legal rights and confidence of the client. Basically ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੇਈਮਾਨ ਹੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ client ਦਾ interest ਨਹੀਂ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ, right? ਆਪਣਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਸੋਚਦੇ। Competence. Brokers owe a duty to their clients to give competent guidance. Brokers who do not have a clear understanding of insurance principles and a sound knowledge of practices and procedure to apply them effectively in the best interest of their clients are not judged to be competent. Broker must be sensitive to any weakness in personal competence and realize that this service is done to client when they attempt to act beyond their personal level of competence. In such circumstances, the broker should decline to act and advise client to seek another broker with competence in the required area. Basically, you need to be qualified to sell. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ knowledge ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ, ਬਜਾਏ ਆਪ ਵੇਚਣ ਦੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਫਲਾਣੇ broker ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਲਓ, right? You need to upgrade your education. Quality of service. Broker must make every effort to provide conscientious, diligent and efficient service. To meet this service standard, broker must provide a level of service which is at least equal to that which an ordinary prudent and competent broker would provide in the same situation. Basically, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ efficient and diligent service provide करनी चाहिए, right? ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਮ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਜਾਏ। Example of conduct which have been found not to meet the standard include: failing to return telephone calls, letters and other communication promptly and in sufficient detail. ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ phone call return नहीं करते, email return नहीं करते, right? So it means you are not competent. Failing to give sufficient notice of non-renewal. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ client ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ policy renew ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੈ, right? Failing to inform clients of alteration to coverage. If there is any change, you need to notify your client, such as changes in policy conditions or any matter of fact which may materially affect the policy or prejudice the. ਜੇ ਕੋਈ major change आई तो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ client ਨੂੰ inform करनी चाहिए. Failure to offer appropriate insurance so as to cause unreasonable gaps. ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਘਰ 5 ਲੱਖ ਦੀ ਇੰਸ਼ੋਰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ 2 ਲੱਖ ਦੀ, right? So you need to cover that gap. And the number 4 is advising clients. Broker must be both candid and honest when providing clients with insurance advice. The broker relation to the client is that of a professional, meaning that the client is dependent on him for her for advice as an expert. Recommending to client should be complete, open and clear. The fact and assumption upon which any recommendations are based should be included, provide and shall provide such as detail as is needed for client to make an informed decision. Basically ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਓਪਨ ਤੇ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਸਪਸ਼ਟ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਲਾਇੰਟ ਇਨਫੋਰਮ ਡਿਸੀਜਨ ਕਰ ਸਕੇ. When brokers receive any form of incentive or bonus for placing business with an insurer, they must be disclosed to client if it is a factor in recommending that insurer over another at the client's expense or detriment. ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਬ੍ਰੋਕਰ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਬੋਨਸ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਉਹ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਲਾਇੰਟ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਡਿਸਕਲੋਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਰਾਈਟ. Broker shall not assist in or engage in the practice of tied selling. So what is a tied selling? For example, making the issuance of an automobile insurance policy conditional on the purchase of another insurance policy is considered to be tied selling. ये कोई भाई तुम मेरे को कार इंश्योरेंस करानी ना तो घर भी करा, right? That's called tied. Each province also has particular requirement for the disclosure of broker's compensation or any potential conflict of interest. Example of conduct which have been found not to meet: giving bold or sweeping general insurance to clients that everything is covered when this is not the case. तो कई क्लाइंट कहते फिक्र ना करो सारा कुछ कवर जी, पैनी चिंता ना करो, everything is covered. You just say what is covered actually. Bold statement नहीं देनी है. After being terminated by an insurance by the insurer misleading clients about the true reason for remarketing their coverage on expiry, particularly when it results in a material difference in the premium charged to them. कभी को भी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी प्रीमियम ਵਧਾ ਦਿੰਦੀ, ਰਾਈਟ, ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਝੂਠ ਦੱਸੀ ਜਾਓ, ਰਾਈਟ. So you tell them the real reason. तो क्लाइंट ਨੂੰ मिसलीड नहीं करना, बेसिकली गुमराह नहीं करना. Failing to advise clients of a warranty or a policy without informing them that this is a condition of coverage being provided. ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਦੀ ਕਈ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਆਹ ਕੰਮ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਊਗਾ, you must tell them, otherwise you can lose a license. Confidentiality. Number 5 is confidentiality. To render meaningful service to client, broker must enjoy full and unreserved communication. At the same time, client must feel completely secure that unless otherwise stated, matter disclosed to their broker will be held completely confidential. Information can be shared with others including insurer only for the purpose of it was originally given, such as the negotiating coverage. Brokers should take care to avoid disclosure to one client of confidential information or received from another client. Duty of confidentiality continues even after the broker has ceased to act. Basically ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ client ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਦੂਜੇ client ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ. Fee disclosure. Brokers shall not charge any fee on any individual policy of insurance in excess of premium charged by the insurer, unless such fee has been clearly explained in writing to be insured. Such expression must include the amount of the fee and the reason why it is being charged. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ fee charge ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਦੱਸੇ, right?